then you go into your day on Sunday, bright sunshine out there, and it is going to be hot.
Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, diesel.
Appreciate it, Ted.
Diesel.
Diesel.
Oh boy. Here we go.
All right.
We are about to get a very unique car. It's Craig's favorite, the Gazelle.
The Gazelle.
Oh. This is gonna be. What are you listening to?
I don't know.
This is like Kenny G.
with the Spanish version.
At the cross.
At the cross. Nice. Alright, this is better.
Come on, dude.
Now we gotta go drive to bumfuck Egypt, excuse my language, middle of Egypt, to get this Gazelle replica, which I don't even know if it's gonna make it home.
Wow, take forever to turn.
Forever. Ooh. It's 45. Probably is. Look who it is.
How's it going?
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
You sit up front.
Oh, I like
You're taller. What?
back. I like backs.
Are you serious?
Be chauffeured around.
All right. All right.
What's up, dude?
What's up? How you doing?
Hey, man.
Yeah. You're buying the most
I was gonna say,
random
you should've-
car I've ever seen you get.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Why do you? What? Why? How?
Why do I want
What?
this car?
Yeah. Let's hear some details. Why? What?
I wanted something with a lot of storage
Okay.
that would make sense in the mountains when it's in winter.
Because that makes sense.
That
And,
has no story.
And I went the opposite direction of that, and he just showed me one car. I thought it looked cool. I don't even have a garage to put it in. Figure that out one step at a time.
You don't have a garage to put it in? All right. All right. That's a valid reason.
Figure out the rest from there.
It's gonna be hard to keep the ladies off this one.
How can I get
This is seriously your first car you ever buy,
Yeah, yeah.
and you just turned 40.
42.
You're 42.
42 yesterday. Time for some impractical, ridiculous purchases.
I like it.
Is this considered a midlife crisis?
Midlife.
Like the whole fleet of cars?
Yeah.
So what if I end up with a car, he ends up with a car, you end up with a car,
You end up leaving this
we just
car
put it on
here.
the roof of the diesel? The honk, he has his own little pond.
Oh, yeah. This guy's living.
The world's biggest pond.
Yeah, yeah.
I thought,
Alright.
I'll let you guys do the talking.
wait, you're the one buying the car.
I know.
How are you today?
How's it going?
Cool.
Oh, yeah.
So how long have you had it for? Or, I know not you, but how long was it stored away from secret? We are the same way, so we totally get it.
He's a salesman.
It's been a couple years, huh?
I've actually had it, I was actually looking at stuff. Had it 6 years.
Wow. That's pretty impressive. Most kit cars don't last that long.
I didn't feel like mine was gonna last that long.
Yeah.
I also drove it over.
You got a dirt bike track in the back too?
Oh,
It's a pretty cool spot out here.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Wow.
whoa.
I have a few toys.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, that is so cool. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Dude, Paul, this is you.
Paul, this is so you.
This is so you.
Yeah, this is really good. For a first car?
This is so you.
This is the carpet for the the inside. I never liked the brown, so I ordered black.
This is
I
brown.
think the brown, yeah. Yeah. But it is.
Can you fit? That is the question.
That's a good question on the fitting
Oh,
side.
actually, there's a lot of leg room. You'll be surprised.
Oh, wow.
Is this a rear wheel drive?
You fit.
I would think so, yes.
I was wondering what's the underneath. What's this? That's what
Louvers.
you'll need to
Okay.
just comb over all that
So-
stuff and do some good reading.
Anyway, I have these undone because.
I know. Gotta have the leather straps.
So, now, I'm gonna show you guys.
Wow.
See this piece of wood right there?
Yep.
That's the finest piece of equipment you'll have.
That wood right there.
Yes, that wood right there.
We
Okay.
enjoy nice
Because what happens is, see, you put this up here like this.
Okay.
and then it will.
And then it'll go like that,
And
and
then
this,
pull
and
itself.
it will come and bonk you on the head.
Yep.
Can't have that.
Yeah, it's
So
not fun.
Although a few bonks might do you good.
So basically, I take the wood and I
It starts right up. Wow. That sounds healthy. You're gonna lose your license.
it does. I think it has a little bit of filter, because I always smell the fuel.
I was gonna say.
I always smell the fuel, so I think it has a little bit.
RPMs work. That's good.
Yep. Tack.
Tack oil pressure.
You got oil pressure there. You got some good gas, some amps going, so everything's charging.
Somebody put the time into this.
Yeah.
So this is like a full-on-
Actually, it's a beautiful.
Rolling in reverse, you can see the front end.
It's a fun car.
Guys look like you're gonna go rob a bank.
In a lot.
This is literally
Was that fun or was that fun?
Pretty amazing. Wish I was 6 feet tall, not 6 feet. Let's put 4. The brakes feel pretty hard to press down in
It's like pushing on a plane.
it's very solid actually.
yeah.
Like
Feels good.
this is on a dirt road. This should be like bouncing and we should be like
That means the suspension's good.
it means the suspension's pretty darn good. I'm actually impressed how good it drives. Let's see how it does up here. The brakes, I see what you mean. So that would actually that could be as a check valve between the master and distributes the pressure to the actual brakes.
Okay.
Let's get used to
That
that.
easy to.
Yeah, we can fix that. It ain't slow.
It's awesome.
I can't believe how smooth it is. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of thought it was gonna drive shitty.
Yeah.
I just kind of, you expect that with the kit car, because 90% of them drive,
Sitting here forever.
90% of them drive like crap.
Really.
This drive's actually really nice. Like whoever had this stuck the time and money into temp is higher than normal, which the water temp on this actually looks really good. So there's nothing, and that the oil pressure responds to throttle input. See how it responds when I hit throttle?
Yeah, right, okay.
So that means that the oil pressure is responding. If that was just at 0, then you want to verify if the gauge is good. Water temp is big too. So if this thing was sitting in like the 200 range, which right now it's at 180, then I've been like, that's actually cooler than normal. That's a very healthy water temp. Obviously the tack feels higher than 15, but maybe not. That's not a big deal, that's working. And if you're hearing any noises, if the transmission feels like, it downshifts. This is actually kind of fast. This drives better than honestly I expected it to.
That's great. Do you think this is a good deal for $700?
I think so. Because the thing is that you're gonna, like I said, you're gonna find somebody that wants one of these. And they'll pay the money. Is it here? Yeah.
So, yeah.
you're gonna find somebody that says, I really want that. I always wanted those when I was a kid. It's a specific person.
Yeah, right.
It's not like somebody's looking for a Prius. You're gonna have 500 people. You're gonna have 5 people. But those 5 people will pay a lot of money for this.
Well, you know, I'm not trying to sell it for a while.
You're gonna have fun. You're gonna get so much ass in this car.
Well, I have my girlfriend now.
You have a girlfriend?
I have a girlfriend.
Then why are you buying this car? You're kidding me, right? No. You should be single with this car. She's not had air conditioning. Jeez, holy crap. Well, our buddy Paul is officially going to be buying this.
This is crazy.
This is his first car
I need to get this a Mercedes logo.
ever. I know, what does CMD means? Commander, commandeer my...
Dick. You gotta edit that one out.
I'm so keeping that in. This is his first car.
Wow.
Wow, you're not kidding. You just got the
Paul, this is
busy night working the streets of Colfax.
That's right.
Oh, it's classic motor carriages, not commandeer.
and that's also a C, not a D.
What?
We'll up here, so.
Gregory, you could come out here and say hello.
Ooh.
Remember when motoring was a joy? You can do it.
You can do it.
Look at this one all the way up on top.
Factory. Look at the. Oh my God, that's the actual factory.
You're selling it to people who actually enjoy really nice.
We're
old
like
cars.
car nuts.
Yeah. So like, it couldn't be going to a better home. It'll live on in.
I'm glad about that.
We're acting
Yeah.
like it's going to our garage. It's actually going to his garage. But,
Well, we're gonna be the ones driving it most of the
Yeah,
time.
it's true.
Might be going to your garage, so.
Oh, look at the blue.
It's a pretty tire back there.
It does look
I
good.
like that.
Oh boy, this is where the engineering comes in.
Front engine 2+2. Wow.
Oh.
So.
0 to 60.
So I'm gonna
10.1
take my
seconds.
plate
Faster
off
than the
there, 'cause
GT,
anywhere
I
you
bet.
Go, this'll
That is
cover you
Bugatti
with
Veyron.
2,200 pounds.
Yeah.
That's about
That's
the
why
same.
it's so fast.
Yeah, it's super low. Wow. Oh wow, look.
That's what it looked like when it was.
The Gazelle is meant to be driven. Graceful as a thoroughbred, the Gazelle provides the excitement and feel you expect from this timeless classic. Paul, you have no idea what you're getting yourself
You
into.
are literally. This is the finest of.
I'm excited
fine.
because you guys are excited, and I can see the car.
Assemble it yourself and drive. Oh, so this would be like a sales brochure, right?
This was actually in a scene in Miami bike. Wow. You.
It's pretty cool, yeah.
You just bought your first car. How does it feel?
Fucking fantastic.
Yeah. 42 and you got the most. You have a Gazelle. Did you ever think in your lifetime you'd own a Gazelle?
Yeah, never.
Never.
even
I
know
figured
that
you'd have an F-150 or a Dodge Ram,
Or at
but
least a
not
Lincoln Continental.
not a Gazelle.
What a funny first car. Like, what a ridiculous first car.
It's ridiculous. But I'm also really stoked for you. It drives really nice.
Yeah.
It actually drives really nice.
It's the same year as the diesel.
Oh my god.
It doesn't have a random
Also, I
Grand
love that
Canyon.
license plate.
Yeah,
That's
and then
like,
And it has the original registration thing. Like,
yeah.
you're gonna be cruising around. This guy's like, this guy's a time traveler.
registration fee.
I don't want to smoke on this thing yet. Do you mind?
Yeah, I'd be happy to. It catches on fire before you even get through the road. Yeah, that.
You gotta push the down.
Wow, I own a car.
You own a car.
It's a weird fucking feeling.
Not only just any car, like, you know, a first car is usually Honda Civic, Toyota Tundra, but no, we buy a Gazelle. The finest motor cars known to man.
When did they stop making Gazelles?
They stopped making Gazelles in the 80s. I think they made it maybe for like 3 years.
Right.
5 years of driving this, your neck's just gonna fall off. Your head.
It's literally scoliosis. Worst choice I've ever made.
Gazelle. Did you own a Gazelle between these years? You may be entitled to benefits. Have you even driven before?
I've never even driven an old car.
Really?
Yeah. Or a convertible.
This is like the 40-year-old virgin, but with a car.
Yeah.
It's literally his first car, and it's a freaking Gazelle.
It's a Gazelle.
That's this episode of what to buy for your first car.
then you go into your day on Sunday, bright sunshine out there, and it is going to be hot.
I promise.